What's up, everybody? I hope you all have been an amazing day. So we're going to a car meet right now. It's called the Fast and Furious premiere, and so I'm gonna take my G80. It's a 2023 G80 BMW X Drive. I have no mods. The only thing I've done to it is the titanium exhaust, as you guys can see. I'm gonna let you guys hear it in a little bit. But yeah, I'm gonna go pick up my brother-in-law. I already picked up one free Uber ride. And then, yeah, so let's get this cold start, and then we should be on our way to pick up my other vato. So there's a tunnel, you know what time it is. Damn. Fire. Out to the hustlers, for all the ladies, if you guys want to get some good merchandise right here. Here, Brundage and Chester. Good stuff. Recommended. I'm not really sure if it's here on the other side, but I still haven't picked up my cousin. So, I mean my brother-in-law. So I'm gonna go pick him up right now. His house is near. And let's take a... Oh, nice. Okay, and then yeah, we'll be back. See, I told you guys I'm VIP. Everybody's stopping. It's just me, but I don't have to stop. Hey, bro, you just okay. Alright. Cars. Alright, cool. You got some, I don't know, Subaru, and then the BRZ, Camaros, obviously. And then we got Honda Civics SI, we got VTEC, and we got, Coyotes. We got more cars right here. Nice. Ooh, that Supra BMW. It's pretty much a BMW engine. That's why it's quick and fast. But this right here has better power capture, obviously, no doubt. And got this GTR carbon fiber wrap. Another GTR. And Mitsubishi Lancer. A nice car. And yeah, so let me go find the parking, and yeah, hopefully more cars, more people show up. It'll be a nice event, just to have fun. And I asked them if I can do a donut here. They said no. Kind of disappointed, so I guess I'm just gonna leave. All right, enjoy. We got more cars in here. I smoke all of them, obviously, but I think that's part of the crew that organized the event. Cool stuff. We got a Beamer. Best one out of all of them. We got more Honda Civics.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum assalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, my brother. You got seats in the house? Which one was your car at? Oh, damn. I miss wake out wrong way. Shoot. Ladies, he's single. He's ready to mingle. We'll take you on a ride. To use the restroom, so I came to the movie theater real quick. Take a leak, and then I'm gonna be out. I'm gonna take some drone footage later on when there's more cars. But now let me go take a leak, and I can't show you guys all that stuff. That's personal. Damn, look at that. Oh, okay, gains check. Beefy. Parked my car over there next to a Supra. And yeah, there's more cars coming. I'm gonna go grab some drink because your boy thirsty for some cars. And yeah, hopefully this turned out to be good. I also brought my drone, so I'm gonna take some good videos. It's charging right now in the car, but yeah, enjoy.